you. We generally think or associate law to court, right? What are the other career paths in law? If you're not going to the court, what else would you be doing?
So law is actually comprised of a completely different fields altogether. So when we think of what a traditional lawyer would be, if you ask our parents' generation or the previous generation, they only think that, like you said, it's going to court and defend criminals, and they say lawyers are liars, and you all generally find these terms associated with a lawyer. So now with evolving space, the environment is ever so changing. So now, so what I do wasn't there in my previous generation. It wasn't there. So what I do now is IP. So IP is more nuanced law, and it's more developing now, with especially with the advent of AI and with celebrities like Amitabh Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai, all filing for personality rights. So that's a completely new advent of space. So with AI and IP, so that's together a new space. So every year or every generation, we see new sectors coming up every time. So there's something called construction law. So it only has to do with construction of buildings. So there are more nuanced laws, and so with all of these, there are more career opportunities in the sense that you have to, so there is something called policy making. So when all of these different sectors of law come in place, you need laws in place, right? So like with this policy making, you help the lawmakers of the country come up with policies, say what are the laws that should be in place, what are the difficulties that are being faced by public. So that's a different sector. You can go into research. So research is basically into writing more and more academic papers. So that's an academic line that is a possible career opportunity. The other is corporate, where you help companies regulate their regulatory work, their compliances. So that's a whole different sector altogether. And you have registrations, which help like basically land registrations or like IP registrations, in fact. So there are like plethora of opportunities. I'm possibly failing in my words to like possibly describe. That's how huge the law sector is. So it is not the traditional sense that you make, okay, lawyers are someone who go to court. Yes, I am a practicing advocate, I do go to court, but I do have, so contract drafting there, I do have like various skills that are attached to it. So the traditional sense of lawyer or an advocate is so varied now compared to what it was earlier.